If your Nissan Kicks AC smells bad or the airflow feels weak, your cabin air filter may need to be changed. I will show you how to replace it in minutes. This is usually behind the glove box, but not on this model. It is behind this panel that I'm marking on this video.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And all you have to do to remove this panel is carefully pull it. It is held in place by some clips. Now if we look to the front of the vehicle right next to the wall, you will see the cabin air filter right there. In order to be able to remove the cabin air filter out of its housing, we need to take this cap out, and this cap has some tabs, one at the bottom and one at the top. And the way that we are going to be doing to remove them is just by pressing and pulling. Now that I have this cap out of the way, let me show you the movement. This is basically the way you have to press on the tab that is on the top in order to get it out. At this point, all we have to do is pull out that cabin air filter. Now take a look at this. Check how dirty this is. This will block airflow and causes bad smell. You want to make sure that the airflow direction matches the arrow on the filter.
FR front. Now with this new filter, there is something different with the arrows. The arrows, they are pointing where the airflow is going to be. In this case, that way. So we have to flip it because it's coming from the engine back in here to the cabin. So it gotta go like that. So pay attention to that, because the other one, in the old one, the arrows were pointing to where the front of the vehicle was. In this case, this one is pointing to where the airflow is going. So let's go ahead and install that.
When I was installing the new air cabin filter, what I did was bend it a little bit so that way it would be easier for you to put it inside the housing. Now you see this right here, we have to slide the top of the cover inside here. Remember when we removed it? Well, we have to make sure it goes inside here so that way it is secure and it won't move. Let me give you some important tips. Replace this filter every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner if you drive in a dusty area. If you don't replace this regularly, it can reduce the AC performance and air quality inside the car.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
When reinstalling this cover, pay attention to the orientation on those pins that I'm marking on the video. You want to make sure they all matches and don't force it. Be careful, we don't want to break anything. And just like that, we replace the cabin air filter on your Nissan Kick. Make sure to subscribe and like if this video was helpful, so that way you can find me easier next time. See you in the next one.